A person's family are ignorant and negligent. And not only that, whenever he tries to educate them and call them to Islam and teach them the proper way of Quran and the Sunnah, they say to him, do not speak to us about Islam. What should one do? You have one of two choices. One choice is totally unacceptable, illogical, un-Islamic, and that is to take drastic means to force them, to torture them, or to shoot them with a shotgun. This is not logical. You can take a horse to the river, but you cannot force it to drink. The other alternative, or the other choice, which is the logical one, you have to change your strategy. You tried to call them. They said, we don't want to listen. Please stop. Stop. Don't shove it down their throat. Don't force them if they don't want to, if they're not interested. Leave them. However, change your strategy by behaving like a real Muslim, showing them your compassion and mercy, coming to their aid whenever they need aid without any strings attached. Let them love you. Let them respect you. Let them see how Islam changed you. Islam, by the way, is not only preaching. I can sit here all day long and speak and preach and give fatwas. This is good, but this is not Islam. I have to walk the talk. When I talk about charity, I have to be the first one giving charity. When I talk about helping others, I have to be at the frontiers. I have to be at the front line, serving people and giving them whatever aid and assistance I can do so that they can point at me and say, this guy is okay. This guy is doing the right thing. Why? It has to be his religion. His religion is good. I love Islam. But when I preach, but I don't walk the talk, when I'm stingy, when I have the worst of manners, which sometimes, unfortunately, I do, then there is a deficiency in me and people would stay away from me. Because say, Sheikh is rude, he's not good, he's not dealing with us Islamically. So you have to change your strategy, make a lot of dua in your sujood, Allah Azza wa Jalla will open their heart. It cannot be done overnight, usually. It can, Allah is capable of doing it, but usually it would take few months because what you had built over the past years cannot be erased from their memory. All what they know about you, that he's pushy, he's so insisting on things, he's so compelling, he wants us to do these things immediately when we're not convinced. For them to change their idea about you, they would need probably like 5-6 months, and then you can start calling them with wisdom and fair preaching, and Allah knows best.